In this video, I would like to introduce a singer and one of his songs to you. He was a legend of Hong Kong pop music world. His name is
Wong Ka Kui.
He founded a pop band Beyond with his friends. He gained fame as the lead vocalist, rhythm guitarist and main songwriter of Beyond. He composed more than 700 pop songs in his life. The songs do not only talk about secular love, but also talk about mother's love and reveal his worldview and values. During a trip to Africa, he heard about the story of Mandela, then wrote a song called
光輝歲月.
This song was published just after Mandela was released from his 27-year prison life in 1990. Beyond's career seemed very smooth at that time. When the band was planning to enter the market of Japan, an accident happened to him. During the rehearsal of a game show for Fuji Television in Tokyo, Japan on the 24th of June 1993, he fell, headfirst, from a 3-metre platform, and died 6 days later from traumatic head injuries. After 25 years of his passing, his songs still are popular and have a strong influence to the New Age people in Hong Kong and even in other Chinese communities.
光輝歲月
is one of my favorite songs.
鐘聲響起歸家的信號。在他生命裏彷彿帶點唏噓。黑色肌膚給他的意義。是一生奉獻膚色鬥爭中。年月把擁有變做失去。疲倦的雙眼帶着期望。今天只有殘留的軀殼。迎接光輝歲月。風雨中抱緊自由。一生經過彷徨的掙扎。自信可改變未來。問誰又能做到？可否不分膚色的界限？願這土地裏不分你我高低。繽紛色彩閃出的美麗。是因它沒有分開每種色彩。